Hello students, today we shall learn about numbers of the nouns in grammar. A name or noun may denote one thing or one person. Singular noun is a noun that denotes one person or thing. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, boy, girl, school, books, pencil, etc. These nouns denote one thing or person. Plural nouns. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. A noun that denotes more than one thing or person is said to be in the plural number. For example, boys, many boys, more than one. Girls, many girls, more than one. Schools, books, pencils, etc. Now, what are the rules to form plural nouns from singular nouns? Let us see. Rules to form singular to plural nouns. First rule: most of the nouns form their plurals by adding s to the singular noun. Most of the nouns form their plural forms simply by adding s at the end of the singular noun. For example, singular nouns like boy, girl, eye, ear, dog, cat, they form their plurals by adding s. Boy, boys, girl, girls, eye, eyes, ear, ears. So, there is no change anywhere in the spelling of the nouns. Simply by adding s, we can convert singular noun to a plural noun. Most of the nouns can be converted into plural forms by this way. But second rule, the nouns ending in a hissing sound, form their plurals by adding es to the singular noun. The nouns ending in a hissing sound means the nouns that are ending in s, double s, ch, ss, x or z or also e. X, not e, but X. form their plurals by adding es to the singular noun. For example, gas, G-A-S, plural gases, G-A-S-S. Bus, plural buses. Class, plural classes, C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glass, plural glasses, G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Brush, B-R-U-S-H, ending in hissing sound, plural brushes, more than one brush. Watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. Watches, W-A-T-C-H-E-S. Match, matchstick. Matches. Church, churches. Also, nouns ending in X also form their plural by adding es. For example, box, boxes, more than one box, many boxes. Fox, an animal, more than one fox, many foxes. Tax, income tax, sell tax, tax, more than one tax forms taxes. Now there are some names ending in O also form their plurals by adding es. For example, mango, M-A-N-G-O, one mango, forms its plural by adding es, M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. There is one mango in the basket. There are 7 mangoes in the basket, like that. Hero, H-E-R-O. Heroes, H-E-R-O-E-S. We add es to the end of the noun hero. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Adding es we make plural. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. There is one tomato in the bowl. There are many tomatoes in the bowl, like that. Similarly, potato, tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, potato, P-O-T-A-T-O. It forms its plural by adding es, potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Adding es, it forms its plural, potatoes. There is one potato in the dish. There are several potatoes in the bowl. Like that. Volcano. Volcano, eruption of magma, hot. Volcanoes, V-O-L-C-A-N-O, volcano, V-O-L-C-O-N-A-E-S, volcanoes, adding es. Thus, some names ending in O, some names ending in X, some names ending in S, SH, CH, SH, or also Z, they form their plurals by adding es instead of s. Now, there are some names that end with Y. And if Y is followed by a consonant, then its plural is formed by changing Y into I and adding ES. So there are two conditions. The name should end in Y. For example, ARMY. The last Y should be followed by a consonant, letter other than AEIOU. If a noun ends in Y, which is followed by, that is, comes next to a consonant, the letter last but one should be a consonant. Then this Y turns into I and add ES to make singular to plural. For example, army, one army, ARMY. Then more than one army, ARMIES, armies. More than one army. Two armies fought against each other. Like that, baby, BABY. Now this Y is followed by B. B is a consonant. So this Y should be turned into I, and adding ES, we can convert singular noun baby into plural noun babies. As BABY, baby, one baby. There was one baby sleeping in a cradle. Babies, BABIES, babies. More than one. Like that, city, 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 big town. The spelling is CITY. At the end, there is Y. Y is followed by T. T is a consonant. Therefore, Y is turned into I, then adding ES, we can convert singular name, singular noun, city into plural name, cities. CITIES, cities. Baroda is a big city. Baroda is a big city. Sorry. There are many big cities in India. Baroda is a big city, singular. There are many big cities in India. Like that, fly, FLY. Fly. Fly, house fly. Fly ends in Y. It is followed by L. L is a consonant. So Y is turned into I. Then adding ES, we convert singular noun fly into plural nouns flies. There is one fly, there were many flies on the garbage. Similarly, lady, LADY. Here, lady, the noun, ends in Y, LADY. Y is followed by D. D is a consonant. So, Y is turned into I, and adding ES, we convert singular noun, lady, into plural noun ladies. There was one lady giving the lecture. In plural, there were many ladies waiting for their turn to visit the museum. Similarly, story, S-T-O-R-Y. The name ends in Y. Y is followed by R. R is a consonant. So Y is turned into I, adding ES. We convert the singular name story into plural name stories. The children like to listen stories, but sometimes when Y is not followed by consonant but it is followed by a vowel, then we do not convert Y into I and add ES, but we simply add ES, S, not ES, S. For example, boy, boys. B-O-Y. Here the noun boy ends in Y. It is followed by O. O is not a consonant. It is a vowel. Therefore, simply adding S, we convert singular noun boy into plural noun boys. There was one boy in the classroom. There were 20 boys in the classroom. Thus, dear students, we have learned some rules to convert singular nouns into plural nouns. In next part, we shall learn some more rules to convert singular nouns to plural nouns. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.